One of my viewers asked me to build a project in which the traffic lights will be toggled using this push button like this. So first of all the red LED will be toggled, then yellow, then green, then again red, right? So let's start building this project. Now let us quickly discuss about the circuit connections. So let's start with these LEDs. So LEDs has two terminals, cathode and anode. So cathode of all the LEDs are connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and the negative rail of the breadboard is connected to the ground of the Arduino using this black wire. Okay. And anode of the LEDs are connected to the digital pins, like red LED is connected to pin number 2, yellow is connected to pin number 3, and green is connected to pin number 4. Now coming on to this push button. So let me take out this, and you can see at the back of this push button there are two lines, this one and this one. Okay, so these two lines are showing that these two terminals are connected internally by default, and similarly these two terminals are connected internally, but these two terminals and similarly these two terminals are separated from each other. And when we press this push button, what happens? These two terminals get connected internally. Okay, so let me insert this push button on the breadboard. Now when I'm pressing the push button, the state of the pin which this push button is connected to, which is pin number 5 here, the state of this pin will be low, because by pressing this push button, this orange wire will be connected directly to this black wire which is connected to the ground, and the ground state is considered as low. Now instead of using three separate LEDs, you can also use a traffic light module. Okay, and traffic light module is nothing but a combination of three LEDs connected something like this. So cathode of all the three LEDs are connected to the common terminal, which is this black wire. Okay, you can see this is a ground terminal. So this is a common terminal between cathode of all the three LEDs. Okay, and anode of all the three LEDs are separated from each other. So you can see this G terminal is for the anode of green LED, this white terminal is for the anode of yellow LED, and this R terminal is for the anode of red LED. Now in this program you can see we are defining three LEDs, red LED, yellow LED and green LED. So red LED is connected to pin number 2, yellow LED is connected to pin number 3, and green LED is connected to pin number 4. And this is the push button which is connected to pin number 5. And all these pins are the digital pins on the Arduino. And this is the state variable which will tell us which LED we want to toggle. So state is equal to 1 means the red LED will be toggled, state is equal to 2 means the yellow LED will be toggled, and similarly state is equal to 3 means the green LED will be toggled, and the current value of state is equal to 0. And this is the variable last button state is equal to high. So button will have low state when it is pressed and high state when it is not pressed. And in the setup function we are defining the pin modes of all the three LEDs, and all the three LEDs are going to be in the output mode, right? And button pin is set with the input pull-up mode. And what is input pull-up mode I have already explained in my previous video. You can check out the link in the description. And this is the function turn off all. So initially we are turning off all the three LEDs, red, yellow and green. Now coming on to the loop function, in this function we are reading the digital state of the button pin using the function digital read. Okay, and we are storing that state into the current button state, and this variable is going to be the bool data type. Bool means either it is low or high. And in this line we are detecting the button press. If it is pressed, there will be low state. So if last button state is equal to high and current button state is equal to low, it means we have pressed the button and we are further increasing the state variable. So in this line the state variable will be 1 if it is 0 initially. Okay, and why we are using this if condition? If state is greater than 3, then we are setting the state is equal to 1. So when we will keep on toggling the LEDs, first of all we will toggle the red LED, it means state is equal to 1. Then we will toggle yellow LED, it means state is equal to 2. Then lastly we will toggle the green LED, it means the state is equal to 3. And after that we will not having any LED. It means the state is equal to 4, which is not possible. That is why we are resetting the state is equal to 1. That means again we will toggle the red LED. And we are updating the traffic light using this function. Okay, and we are also setting the last button state is equal to current button state for the next loop iteration. Now coming on to the update traffic light function. In this function we are first of all turning off all the three LEDs using this function, and we are further checking all these if conditions. If state is equal to 1, it means we are turning on the red LED. You can see there is a high signal on the red LED. Otherwise if state is equal to 2, it means we are turning on the yellow LED. And if state is equal to 3, it means we are turning on the green LED. So this function is very simple. Now lastly we are having this function turn off all. And obviously in this function we will turn off all the 3 LEDs. You can easily see there is a low signal on the 3 LEDs, red, yellow and green. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss my latest video tutorials. And if you have any doubt regarding this project, comment in the comment section and I will meet you with the new project, and thanks for watching this video.